Alright, y'all, we're gonna dance this song through. I forgot to count it in, so I'm just gonna do it here. Thanks for clicking on this video. Let's dance together. 5, 6, ready, go.
I'm gonna wear what I want to, cause I want to. I don't need no man. Gonna drink what I want to, cause I want to. Just because I can. I'm gonna spend my money, cause it's mine. Shot up, so go in line, cause it's girls' night out. I'm gonna do my two-step, do my two-step, step tonight. I'm doing my two-step, watch the way you step, put your two steps behind. Hard to get what you want me, ride that donkey straight to the back of my line. Gonna do my two-step, do my step, that's right. Oh yeah. Are you gonna sit there and think, go buy me a drink, boy, what's your plan? All my girls with me, you like what you see, well baby this is your last chance. You've been watching since the moment we walked in, so while your boys are busy big talking, I'm gonna do my two-step, do my two-step, step tonight. I'm doing my two-step, watch the way you step, put your two steps behind. Hard to get what you want me, ride that donkey straight to the back of my line. Gonna do my two-step, do my step. Now slide, slide, two steps, slide, slide, two steps. Work it out, grind, 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 switch. Slide, slide, two steps, slide, slide, two steps. Work it out, grind, 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 switch. I'm gonna rock my cowboy hat and pink stilettos. We're gonna stomp and kick until they make us all go home. You wanna see if a little country girl can get down? Let me show you how.
Well, hey, little lady, maybe you and me could possibly get together for a shot of Jack D and take a little spin around the dance floor. Tell me, do you want more? All you gotta do is just say so. I can line dance, baby, I can buck dance, take you down a dirt road, back of the truck dance. Cause Laura Bell, you hell on the heart. Good Lord, you're gonna tear this country boy apart.